Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to copy and paste photo edits on iPhone. So if you want to apply the same photo edit to different photos, so you just need to edit one of the photo, then copy the photo edit and paste it on your other photo. So that's what you're going to learn here. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to copy and paste photo edit on iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Photos app and then select the photo you want to edit first. Click on these three lines. Then you can come here, edit the photo. So make sure you edit the photo to suit your need. After which, you then need to copy the photo edit. So once you're fine with this edit, the next thing you need to do is go ahead and click on the three dots at top right. Then it should say copy edit. So this is going to copy all the adjustments you made to the photo. So copy edit. Then it should say copy the adjust and adaptive. So if you made crop or rotated the photo, then it should say all of them enabled. Now click on copy. Click on done. Now go ahead and open a new photo. Let's say the new photo you want to paste the edit is this. Click on edit. Click on the three dots at top right. Then it should say paste edit. Now go ahead and paste the edit you made. Then it should say the edit reflected on the new picture. Click on done to save changes. And that is it. So you can repeat this edit on all photo you have on your phone. So just go ahead, click on the edit button, select three dots, paste edit, then click on done. So that's exactly how to copy and paste photo edits on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.